Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Probability. Let us see the card problems. We know that there are four symbols in cards: club, spade, heart, diamond. There are 13 club cards. Similarly, there are 13 spade cards and 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. So the total number of cards 52. And note that we don't count jokers, so we have to take total cards 52 only. And here club cards and spade cards are in black color and heart cards and diamond cards are in red color. So there are 26 black color cards and 26 red color cards. And we know the probability formula: P of E equal to N of E divided by N of S. Let us see the problems. From a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting red card, heart card, red king, face card, number card. If we know the basic concepts, the sums are very easy. Here first one, red card. We know that there are 26 red cards. Second one, heart card. So in heart symbol we have 13 cards. Third one, red king. We have 2 red kings. That is this heart symbol and diamond symbol. These 2 kings are in red color. Fourth one, face card. Face cards means jack, queen, king. In these 3 cards we have a face, so we say that face cards. And we have J, Q, K in all the symbols. So there are 4 symbols, that is 4 into 3. So 12 cards. Next, number card. Here we have the number 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 10. So these are number cards and we have the number cards in all the 4 symbols. And the total number of cards 52. So N of S equal to total cards 52. Now let us write the answers one by one. First one, red cards. Let A be the event of getting red card. So N of A equal to 26. There are 26 red cards. And using the formula P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. So that is equal to 26 divided by 52. Cancel this 1 by 2. Second, heart card. So let B be the event of getting a heart card. So N of B equal to 13. There are 13 heart cards. Now using formula P of B equal to N of B divided by N of S, that is equal to 13 divided by 52. We can cancel by 13. So we get the answer 1 by 4. Next, third question, red king. Let C be the event of getting a red king card. So N of C equal to 2. There are 2 kings in red color. Therefore, using formula P of C equal to N of C divided by N of S, that is equal to 2 divided by 52. Cancel 2, we get the answer 1 by 26. Next, fourth question, face card. Let D be the event of getting a face card. Face card means jack, queen, king. These 3 cards are face cards and there are 4 symbols. In each symbol we have the JQK. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Now using the formula P of D equal to N of D by N of S, that is equal to 12 divided by 52. We can cancel by 4. So we get the answer 3 by 13. And finally, fifth question, number card. Let E be the event of getting a number card. So N of E equal to 4 into 9. There are 9 number cards in each symbol. So we have the number 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 10. So there are 9 cards in each symbol. There are 4 symbols. So 4 into 9, that is equal to 36. Now using the formula P of E equal to N of E divided by N of S, that is equal to 36 divided by 52. We can cancel by 4. We get the answer 9 by 13. Next problem. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that it will be a spade or a king. Here we have the word or, that means union. So we have to use A union B formula. So in the cards there are 13 spade cards and king, 4 kings, 1, 2, 3, 4. And note that this spade king is common. Now let us write the steps. There are 52 cards. So N of S equal to 52. Let A be the event of drawing a spade. So N of A equal to 13. There are 13 spade cards. Therefore, P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is equal to 13 divided by 52. Please don't cancel here. Let us simplify finally. Next, king. So let B be the event of drawing a king. There are 4 king. We have 1 king in each symbol. So there are 4 kings. Therefore N of B equal to 4. So using formula P of B equal to N of B divided by N of S, that is equal to 4 divided by 52. And there is one common, that is spade king. So the first event is spade, second event king. The common is 1 king in spade symbol. So N of A intersection B equal to 1. Therefore using formula P of A intersection B equal to N of A intersection B divided by N of S, that is equal to 1 divided by 52. Now see the question. We have the word or, that means we have to use A union B formula. So by addition theorem, P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Just substitute the values and simplify. So P of A is 13 by 52 plus P of B is 4 by 52 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 52. And here note that same denominator, so we can simplify very easily. Just add the numerator. 13 plus 4, 17 minus 1, that is 16 divided by 52. Cancel by 4. We get the final answer 4 by 13. Next problem. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card. R means union. We have 2 times R. And there are 3 events: king, heart, red cards. So we have to use the formula A union B union C. Let us take the events A, B, C. So let A, B and C be the events of getting a king, a heart and a red card respectively. That means A denote king, B denote heart, C denote red cards. Now we can write the informations. Total cards n of s equal to 52. A means king cards. There are 4 kings, so n of a equal to 4. B denote heart cards. There are 13 heart cards, so n of b equal to 13. C means red color cards. There are 26 red color cards, so n of c equal to 26. Next, let us write the intersections. King, heart, AB intersection 1, because there is a heart king is common. So n of A intersection B equal to 1. Next, B intersection C 13, heart, red card, these 2 intersection. So heart symbol, red color, there are 13 cards. So n of B intersection C equal to 13. Next, C intersection A, red card and king. So in red color there are 2 kings. So n of C intersection A equal to 2. Now all the 3 intersection, there is only 1 card which is common in all the 3. That is king, heart, red card. So this king is common in all the 3. It's a king and also heart symbol and also red in color. So this king is common in all the 3. So n of A intersection B intersection C equal to 1. Now we can write the probability easily. P of A equal to, using the formula n of A divided by n of S. So that we can write the answer directly. P of A equal to 4 divided by 52. P of B equal to 13 divided by 52. P of C equal to 26 divided by 52. So probability means that number divided by total. Similarly, P of A intersection B equal to A intersection B number 1 divided by total 52. P of B intersection C, B intersection C number 13 divided by total 52. Next, P of C intersection A, C intersection A number is 2 divided by total 52. P of A intersection B intersection C. All the 3 common is 1. So 1 divided by total 52. Now the probability of getting a king or a heart or a red card is, we have to use the formula P of A union B union C, that is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. This formula easily we can remember. First all the 3 single letters plus, and then 2 letters minus sign. That is A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A. And finally all the 3 letters again plus. Now we have all the values, just substitute and simplify, we can get the answer. Substitute all the values. We are having all the values in order, that is P of A, P of B, P of C, and then two intersections, A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, and finally all the three intersection. So straightly we can take and write the numbers. First three numbers plus, next three numbers minus sign, last number again plus. Here we can cancel the numbers 13 by 52 minus 13 by 52 and minus 1 by 52 plus 1 by 52. Now taking 52 LCM, we get 4 plus 26, 30 minus 2, that is 28 divided by 52. Now cancel by 4, we get the final answer 7 by 13. Thanks for watching.